Got trouble starting, you turn the key and all you hear is a loud click. This might be your problem. Dirty connections. I'll show you how to clean them up. Most batteries are under the hood. I've relocated this one to the trunk, but it's the same. So you look on the inside of the connector here and you see it's not shiny. It's got some powder in there. That can be white or yellowish or brownish or whatever. It doesn't really matter. It shouldn't be there, so we're gonna clean it up. You can do it by hand, but I get one of these brass spin brushes, put it in the drill, and give it a good clean. Now it's going to be making a much better connection. Do that on both sides. If you still got an issue, same click is still there, trace your ground. It goes to your block, either on the engine mount or if you got a different car, it goes somewhere. Follow it, take it off, clean it too, put it back. If you still got that sound, it just clicks when you turn the key, you need to remove your starter and test it. It's probably a bad starter. Alright guys, just some random guy in a random driveway.